Hi there, students. An oath, okay? Accountable noun. Okay, an oath is a formal promise. Yeah, is when you swear to do something. Yeah, particularly a promise to be loyal to your country or to a person. So I don't know if they still do it in American schools. The Pledge of Allegiance is an oath to say that they will be loyal to their country. He swore an oath when he became a policeman to protect the laws and the constitution of the country. For example, doctors, when they qualify, they have to take the Hippocratic Oath, Yeah, this is a formal promise that they will follow the standards of their profession and they will try to preserve life and to keep people alive. Yeah, and this is one of the oldest oaths that there is. Normally an oath, it means that you promise to fulfill something that you guarantee. And very often you call on God as your witness. Yeah. So God is my witness that I swear to do this. Yeah, or maybe you could swear on something that is sacred. Yeah. Now, let's see. I think an oath, you can also use this word to mean a swear word. He muttered oaths under his breath, but a curse word, a bad word. It's possible. I don't think it's very common. I think I would prefer the words he started swearing. Yeah, he started using bad language. Yeah. An oath, yeah, it's something irreverent, insulting a deity or something else, swearing, being angry. Yeah, but an oath, I promise to do this. So the president has to take the oath of office. Yeah, the soldiers have to swear an oath of loyalty to their country. They swear that they are going to serve their country as to the fullest extent that I can. Okay, I guess when you go to court and you have to give evidence, you swear an oath on the Bible. Yeah, the oath that you take is to promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So notice, to take an oath, to swear an oath. Yeah, to take or to swear. I guess you could give as well. And then if something goes wrong, maybe you break your oath. Okay, let's see, an oath. I think this is a rather formal word. I'm going to give it a 6.5 to 7. Let's see, I think informally just use the verb to swear. I swear that. Yeah. In a semi-formal conversation, yes. Semi-formal writing, yes. And a formal writing, definitely. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Old English, ab, meaning an oath, from Proto-Germanic, aibaz, meaning an oath, from Proto-Indo-European, hoitos, an oath. Okay, so it goes back quite a long way. Okay, yeah, it's a solemn pledge. I think oaths were used a long time ago to make sure that the people around you were going to be loyal and they weren't going to run off and join your enemy. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Oath.